Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M stands far above the competition as one of the best RC trainer airplanes available today. More than just a basic trainer, it's a complete learning system designed to help beginners succeed while still offering enough performance to keep intermediate pilots interested long after their first flights. With its generous 59-inch wingspan and advanced safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, the Apprentice STS continues the legacy of one of the most trusted training aircraft in RC aviation. What truly makes this model exceptional is the seamless blend of modern technology and proven flight design. Built on the highly successful Apprentice platform that has helped thousands of new pilots learn to fly, the STS version adds smart electronics that provide real-time telemetry directly to compatible Spectrum transmitters. This allows you to monitor battery voltage, power usage, and flight performance, giving you valuable information and added confidence every time you fly. It's like having a digital flight instructor guiding you through each session. The Apprentice STS is perfect for first-time pilots who want a smooth and stress-free learning experience. Its safe technology includes multiple flight modes that act like training wheels, helping prevent crashes and automatically stabilizing the aircraft. As your skills improve, you can gradually unlock more control and even perform aerobatic maneuvers such as loops and rolls. With its durable EPO foam construction, stable flight characteristics, and advanced safety features, the Apprentice STS delivers a reliable, confidence-building experience. It's an ideal long-term investment for anyone serious about learning and enjoying RC flight. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a high-quality RC flying experience. With its large 1,400mm wingspan and dependable brushless power system, this trainer offers the kind of stability and performance normally found in more expensive models. What truly sets it apart is its unibody ABS plastic fuselage. While most trainers rely entirely on foam construction, VOLANTEX designed this aircraft with a tough, crack-resistant plastic body that can withstand impacts and rough landings far better than traditional foam designs. This RC plane is an excellent choice for beginners who want a durable and capable trainer without stretching their budget. Its strong construction makes it ideal for new pilots who are still learning and may experience occasional crashes. The TrainStar Ascent is also a great option for RC clubs, schools, or youth programs where durability and reliability are essential. Instead of worrying about damaging the aircraft, pilots can focus on building their flying skills and confidence. One of the most enjoyable aspects of the TrainStar Ascent is its forgiving flight performance. The large wings provide smooth, stable handling, making it easier for beginners to maintain control. The powerful 1050 kV brushless motor delivers strong, steady climbs and enough performance for basic aerobatic maneuvers as skills improve. Its quick and simple assembly system allows you to get airborne faster, so you can spend more time flying and less time building. Overall, the TrainStar Ascent offers outstanding value by combining durability, stability, and reliable performance in an affordable package, making it an ideal trainer for new and developing pilots. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't be misled by its affordable price. The Carbon Cub S2 delivers impressive performance and advanced features in a beautifully detailed, scale-inspired airframe. With a 1.3-meter wingspan and realistic bush plane design, this versatile trainer combines beginner-friendly technology with the performance needed for long-term enjoyment. Equipped with safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology and optional GPS upgrades, the Carbon Cub S2 offers a flexible learning experience that evolves alongside your skills. It's a highly adaptable aircraft that can take you from your very first flight to more advanced adventures, including short-field takeoffs and even float flying. This RC plane is ideal for beginners who want a realistic-looking aircraft that also provides room to grow. It's especially appealing to pilots interested in bush flying, thanks to its rugged design and excellent low-speed handling. The safe system includes multiple flight modes that help stabilize the plane, prevent overcontrol, and reduce the risk of crashes. As your confidence improves, you can gradually reduce assistance and enjoy more precise manual control. One of the standout features of the Carbon Cub S2 is its oversized Tundra tires, which allow it to operate from grass, dirt, and uneven terrain where many trainers cannot fly. Its durable Z-foam construction ensures strength without adding unnecessary weight, while its brushless motor provides reliable and efficient power. Overall, the Carbon Cub S2 offers an excellent balance of stability, versatility, and scale realism. It's a dependable, feature-rich trainer that provides exceptional value and remains enjoyable even as your flying abilities improve. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't enjoy flying a Warbird? This micro Corsair changes expectations with its compact 400mm wingspan and advanced pilot stabilization system, making a traditionally challenging aircraft surprisingly easy to control. Warbirds are usually designed for experienced pilots because of their speed and sensitivity, but modern stabilization technology helps transform this model into a beginner-friendly aircraft. It demonstrates how smart flight assistants can make even iconic military designs accessible to first-time flyers. This RC plane is an excellent choice for beginners who want something more exciting than a typical trainer. It's especially appealing to kids and adults who love military aircraft but don't yet have flying experience. The built-in pilot system uses a 6-axis gyro to automatically stabilize the plane, reducing the risk of stalls and sudden loss of control. Multiple flight modes allow you to start with maximum assistance and gradually move toward full manual control as your confidence grows. One of the most enjoyable features is its one-key aerobatic function, which lets you perform impressive stunts like loops with the press of a button. The lightweight EPP foam construction is highly durable and can withstand minor crashes without serious damage. Its propeller-saver design adds extra protection, making it ideal for beginners still learning proper control. Because of its small size and stable flight behavior, this Corsair can be flown in parks, open fields, or even large backyards. Overall, it delivers the perfect combination of Warbird realism, beginner-friendly performance, and fun, making it an excellent first RC airplane. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. The Cripes Mighty third P51D Mustang stands as an outstanding example of a sport-scale Warbird, combining authentic scale detail with impressive flight performance. Featuring operational flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and a realistic 4-blade propeller, this model captures the true look and feel of the legendary World War II fighter. Advanced AS3X stabilization technology, along with optional Safe Select support, helps smooth out flight behavior and makes this aircraft more manageable than traditional Warbirds, while still preserving its powerful and responsive character. This RC plane is best suited for intermediate to advanced pilots who are ready to step up from basic trainers and experience a more realistic Warbird. It's also an excellent choice for aviation enthusiasts and history fans who appreciate accurate scale details and authentic flight performance. Pilots who have developed solid control skills will enjoy the Mustang's balance of precision, speed, and versatility. One of the most exciting aspects of this model is its flexible power system. When flown on a 3S LiPo battery, it offers smooth, controlled performance ideal for scale flying. Switch to a 4S battery, and it transforms into a much faster and more aggressive aircraft capable of strong climbs and thrilling aerobatics. Functional flaps allow for slower, more controlled landings, while the retractable landing gear enhances both realism and aerodynamics. Built from durable EPO foam with reinforced components and high-quality metal-geared servos, the Mustang is designed for strength and reliability. Overall, the P51D Mustang delivers an exceptional blend of scale realism, advanced technology, and exciting performance for experienced RC pilots.